Have you put loads of money into your retirement only to wonder, is this the day I lose it all? Because if you lost anything in the 2008 crisis, then you know what I'm talking about. And it's why I'm going to show you what thousands of Americans have done to help protect their retirement from market crashes, inflation, and presidential disasters. So you can finally answer that question, is my money safer in a 401k or an IRA? And the answer may completely surprise you.
Hey
So
there!
let's get
Welcome to your
started.
Gold IRA Guide. If you're thinking about retirement and want to ensure your savings are protected, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's gaining a lot of traction: how to roll over your 401k into a Gold IRA. Whether you're concerned about the stock market's volatility or just want to diversify your retirement portfolio, this guide will help you make an informed decision.
One way to take your precious metal investing further is with gold IRA investing. And if you listen closely, you'll learn how you can put a gold IRA to work safeguarding your life savings.
Okay, let's break it down. A Gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold, as well as other precious metals like silver, platinum, and palladium. It's like your traditional IRA, but instead of paper assets like stocks and bonds, you're holding actual physical gold. One of the key benefits is that you can diversify your retirement portfolio, reducing your reliance on the stock market. Plus, it gives you peace of mind knowing your wealth is protected by a tangible asset.
Well, if you don't know why you should own gold and silver, it is an important part of every investment portfolio. It is an ideal hedge against inflation, currency devaluation, market uncertainty, bear markets, political upheaval. In many cases, gold can act as a hedge to balance out the remainder of your portfolio. And I've always recommended that my clients, my investment clients, have a portion of their portfolio allocated to physical precious metals. Now, a lot of people have a good portion of their retirement savings in their individual retirement accounts, their IRAs. And what they may not realize is that they can also incorporate actual physical gold and silver into those accounts.
Now, let's get into the meat of it. How do you actually roll over your 401k into a gold IRA? It's easier than you might think. First, you'll need to choose a reputable gold IRA custodian. This is the company that will manage your account and store your physical gold. We highly recommend Augusta Precious Metals for their stellar reputation and excellent customer service. They make the process seamless and secure. To get started with Augusta, just click the link in the description below. Next, you'll open a self-directed IRA account through your chosen custodian. This will give you the flexibility to invest in gold and other precious metals. Now comes the important part, initiating the rollover. You'll need to contact your 401k provider to start the process. The good news is that many custodians will assist you with this step to make it as smooth as possible. Once your funds are transferred to your new gold IRA, you can start purchasing gold. Your custodian will help you choose the right products, whether it's gold bars, coins, or other options.
And that is one of the benefits of owning physical gold outright rather than being in an ETF. But in order to do that, you've got to set up one of these self-directed IRAs. And of course, to do that, you do need to have a custodian that you can work with that is able to hold the physical gold and silver for you. You can set up your self-directed IRA by making a contribution, an annual contribution, which are limited, but you can also roll over money from an IRA that you already have, right? So if you've got an IRA established, traditional IRA, and you have funds invested there, and your custodian is, let's say, one of the major broker dealers, if you want to have more physical gold in that IRA, you can roll that money over, right? You can set up a self-directed IRA, and then you can take some of the money in one of your existing traditional IRAs, and you can roll it over into the self-directed IRA, and then you can use whatever portion of that you want to invest in physical gold and silver.
Hi, I'm Joe Montana. I had a lot of success in my football career, and it wouldn't have been possible without a great team protecting me. I'm here to tell you about my dedicated and knowledgeable team at Augusta Precious Metals that helped diversify my portfolio to protect my hard-earned retirement savings. Augusta's professional economic analysts will show you what they showed me through a live web conference packed with valuable information that bankers and Wall Street players don't want you to know. To get the playbook, all you have to do is sign up for the web conference. So hit that sign up link and get coached by a winning team. It's one you can't afford to miss.
Before you make any moves, it's crucial to understand the tax implications and regulations involved. The good news is that a direct rollover from a 401k to a gold IRA is generally tax-free, as long as it's done correctly. However, there are annual contribution limits and required minimum distributions once you hit a certain age. Always consult with a financial advisor to ensure you're following the rules. Rolling over your 401k into a gold IRA can be a smart move to secure your financial future. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on protecting your retirement. And if you have any questions or need help getting started, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.